Hello everybody, my name is Matt and I teach English the natural way. In this picture, we see Patrick Starr. He's standing in front of a vending machine. The vending machine has a big sign at the top that says candy. Can you buy crisps from this vending machine? No, you can't buy crisps from this vending machine. You can only buy sweets, candies. Patrick is putting a bill into the slot. Maybe he wants to get some chocolate. Patrick has a neutral expression. Neutral. He is neither excited nor upset. He's just focused on his task. Now let's talk about how to use a vending machine. First, you need money. Like the bill Patrick is using. You insert the money into the slot. Once the machine accepts it, you choose what you want. You can press a button or type in a number corresponding to your desired snack. The machine will then dispense your choice into the tray at the bottom. Vending machines used to be common on the streets of my city. You could see them everywhere. But now they are usually found in subway stations. You can't see them on the streets anymore. I don't often buy from them unless it's an emergency. The snacks are typically overpriced. They are very expensive. In contrast, vending machines are incredibly common in Japan. They are very common, incredibly common. They are everywhere and even influence the housing market. There are vending machines for everything, even cup noodles. How about you? Do you usually buy from vending machines? What do you usually buy?